This video, we're going to show how to insert a legend element. A legend will help the map readers understand the meaning of the broadband speed, symbols on the map, as well as the status of public Wi-Fi availability at libraries in Utah County. A basic legend consists of a patch symbol and a label explanatory text. So with the max advertised broadband speed map selected, so right now I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to the Insert tab and the Map Surrounds group. We're going to click Legend, and I'm going to draw a rectangle. So the cursor will change to crosshair. So earlier I did a little fast, so that we have to expand a little bit. And that's our legend. And we're going to we drag and we drew a rectangle that the thing created a reasonably sized rectangle, and a small rectangle will not show any legend elements as we see earlier, but right now I didn't show everything. So it's not necessary to list the symbol for both layers in the legend. Because both the wireline broadband and wireless broadband layers are using the same symbology. With the legend selected, we go to Design tab. I'm going to expand it here. I don't need to show wireless, just use wireline and this. So, and then alternatively on the contents pane, we can just expand legend and remove the other layers. And then next we're going to adjust the properties of the legend. Same layout tools, leave the cursor in a tool mode, such as when drawing a rectangle. To return to the select mode, we go to the Layout tab and click Select button. So in the settings group, we're going to change patch. And we have to right click on it, go to property, and this is the sizing for patch. We have to do is 16 for the width, and then for the height it will be 10. Perfect. And we're going to close it out. And then in the contents pane, we're going to expand legend. Right click wireless board to open the legends property. Right click on here and open property, which we did. And then we're going to uncheck the group layer name, uncheck the group headings, uncheck the headings. So we'll just leave this labels and descriptions. And patch 1610 we did earlier. Make sure it's patch, label, and description. So, in the element pane, expand show and clear both the layers name and group heading checkboxes. We did that. These headings are not necessary because there is only one set of symbols in the legend. Layer and heading names are useful when multiple groups of symbols are represented. So in the element pane, we're going to click Done and select Labels. Alright, and then we're going to the labels, expand appearance, and change the font name to Airy. We have to go all the way back. Arial, and it will be 9. Alright, and then we're going to click Apply. And next, we're going to add a background for the legend so it stands out when placed over the map frame. So we're going to click the legend. Click yes, and then you do not see the background here. We're going to close it out and right click on legend and then go to properties. Legend, and you will see background here finally, and you have appearance here. Finally, we can do the background. So you go into the layer here, and then we're going to change the format tab, and you do not see the format tab here. And if you go to format and the current selection, and you can do background here. So, and then we could go is background is here. You cannot get it out anyway, but we can work on here. So the color, it will be go to color properties, and then we're going to select color property. Color property, and we will type 255. Green is 255, and then blue is 255, and transparency, it will be 30. Click OK and click apply. Click apply, and it's gonna take a little bit. So, and it doesn't seem it's working right now, but we will work on it and see what's going on there. And what we're gonna do is that outline width, it will be offset. So offset effect. So offset effect will be 5. All right, this width will be 0. And we're going to click apply. And all right, and then this one, I don't know it's working yet. All right, so now click OK. All right, let's just give a little time. Might not work, and then we go back here and come back here, and do you want to, yep, and transparency, it will be 30%. Click OK. Previously it worked, but I just don't understand why it's not working here. Add effect, layer effect. All right, so method, method, it will be mirror, and the option is fast. Click apply there. So finally it's working. Everything we did is so far so good. And then go back to gallery, and we do not have to do anything for now. Outline color, we do not need an outline color. So now this one stands out. We can just drag it a little bit here. So we have our legend, but we do have to change a little bit. So approximately size, we have to change the size and everything. We're going to right click on this, go to property, not right here anymore. We're going to do is from here, Y line, and we're going to do is the property, not symbology. Go back to view. It's not in view. Symbology is selected. All right, right click on it. The symbology is not here. Let's do, oopsies. Map frame in this one. Am I in layout view or? All right. Sure, not imagery view. Layout. All right, let me select this one. Select on and off. All right. Oh, I have to activate. I'm gonna activate, and then right click on this. Go back to layout view. Symbology. I still have to go back to symbology. I have to think, how do I go back to symbology? Oh, my brain is not working. Sorry. Play a little bit, but save first. All right. So if I want to get the symbology, I'm gonna go back here and right click on this symbology. And for the label, I'm gonna change it, so greater than 50. No need to say equal. Okay. And then this one, it will be 25 to 50. I even don't need this. Maybe typing is a lot faster. Control C, Control V. This will be 10 to 25. 10 to 25. 25. 10 to 25. This, I need a space. Alright. Oopsies. Okay. And I need a. Okay. And this is 6 to 10. 6 to 10. 6 to 10. And I have 3 to 6. 3 to 6. And then I have 1.5. 1.5 to 3. And the last one, it will be 7A, 6A, KBP. This is KBPS to 1.5 Mbps. Perfect. Alright, and then I'm gonna save it. Project, save. Okay, and then I'm going back to the layout view, and then I can just resize it. Perfect. And I'm going to move around a little bit. There. So, in this case, this looks a lot nicer. So bring this back again, background, not border. Line width, background, outline width. So outline width 0 point, and there was offset. Offset width is outlined width. It should be good. That's fine. Okay, and then we're going to insert another one. So if I want to nudge it to somewhere, I can just hit Control and it will put the guideline to help me for the legend. Alright, so now we're going to do is follow the same steps to create the legend for the Community Anchor Institute map. First, we're going to rename group headings to available public Wi-Fi. And we're going to activate the map first and go to the symbology pane. And next, we just adjust the group heading font. So it's right here. And then we can just do it a lot better this way. Let's see. Activate. Activate, and we're gonna go to symbology. Select this. And actually this appearance, please go to appearance. Oh no, hopefully it's saved for me. Send error report. Oh, I don't want to save it. Click cancel. Cannot do too fast. If you click, and then it's just gonna die. So we're gonna go back to our broadband, and then we have, hopefully we don't have to redo that part, but if we do, it's okay.